Hi coders, what's up? My name is Amit and welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I am going to talk about the difference between spacearound and spaceevenly in Flutter. So here I take a row and then give two items wrap with the container and give both of them the different color. One is blue and one is amber, and you can see the result at the right hand side of the screen. So first of all, let's give the property which you can see min axis alignment, and you definitely use that in your project. So here it give us min axis alignment, center, and space between, space around, and spaceevenly. So if you ever give the interview of Flutter as a Flutter developer, you mostly interview will be asked you the difference between, space around, and space evenly, not the space between, but mostly versus space around and space evenly. So first of all, I'm giving it a center. So here you can see it's on the left hand side. Then when I give the center and save it, it's on the center of the row. So now here is a magic part, and I give it, oh sorry, I gave it that wrong. Yeah, here it is. So center. So now first of all I am giving the space between, and I give the space between to it. So here you can check that the two items separated from the center and stick to the, one is left and one is right, and the space between take the whole space remaining after taking the 100 by 100 and 100 by 100 by the respective container. Now you can see, now talk about the space around. When I give the space around, here you can see in between it takes a specific size, and at the round at the left hand side of the item and the right hand side of the, it takes a little bit. And what this little bit of space, why, how it calculated? So here you can see when you calculate this height, this distance, this space from item 1 and item 2, in between item 1 and item 2, when you divide this part of a portion is equal to the half of the space between item 1 and item 2. So what this will do, space around, this will take the half portion of the space between, take to the left hand side and take to the right hand side. And when I give it space evenly, it takes evenly spaces. Here you can see the space between this side, center, and the end side, start, center, and the end space are threes are same, but when I give the space around, it takes a little bit difference between the center and the start and the end side, which are equal to the half of the size of center. So it's done for today. If you didn't visit my website, then you can go and check out, link is in description. My website is codemicro.com, where you can find the topics about Flutter and other things. You can see, and soon you will provide, I will post the topic difference between container and size are earlier posted in YouTube video. You can go and check it out, and here also I will post the same. So thanks so much for watching this. Take care. Bye bye.